Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study AP statistics. First, focus on understanding the four big ideas: exploring data, sampling and experimentation, anticipating patterns, and statistical inference. These concepts form the backbone of the course. Next, dedicate time to practicing free response questions from past exams. This helps you apply your knowledge and develop strong problem-solving skills. Finally, become proficient with your graphing calculator, as it's an essential tool for calculations and data analysis throughout the exam. To truly excel, consistent review of statistical vocabulary and definitions is crucial. Make flashcards or use a digital tool to reinforce these terms. Regularly tackling multiple-choice questions from practice tests helps pinpoint areas where your understanding might be less solid. Don't just guess. Analyze why correct answers are correct. Also, establishing a consistent study schedule, perhaps 30 minutes each day, builds momentum and prevents last-minute cramming, making your learning more effective and less stressful. Deepening your understanding involves more than just rote memorization. Try collaborating with classmates to discuss challenging problems. Explaining concepts to others often solidifies your own grasp. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher for clarification on any difficult topics or specific question types. They are a valuable resource. Furthermore, actively look for real-world examples of statistics in news or research. This helps connect abstract concepts to practical applications, making the material more relatable and easier to remember for the exam. As the exam approaches, simulating actual test conditions with full-length practice tests is paramount. Time yourself strictly to get comfortable with the pace and pressure. After each practice, thoroughly review your answers, especially focusing on common errors and understanding the underlying reasons for mistakes. This targeted review is more effective than simply doing more problems. And hey, if you're looking for ways to streamline your study routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Good luck with your AP statistics journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.